Yeah, yeah. I go on the road there now. I go down the road there, so. I make sure so I do something when I did need for the long time. But I just I go get for really do it. I never make up my mind yet. But I need to do it this morning, yeah. Yeah, yeah. So I go down the road, go take care, right? You know, so I love that bracelet. Yeah, I love it, you see. I feel for put it on. I have to put on the ring part first. Amari style that. Where the rest? What the fuck? Why you put it there? No. See, pal. Oh, what is? You know, say, I see my truck. I see my truck outside. And that don't make no sense. My truck was parked right there. Call who? I paid them yesterday. I paid them one payment yesterday. So why my truck not here? Never see me dying trial. For real, my truck not here. You want to look for real? Call me tell Anwar to move it last night.
Which part was before?
I was parked right here. And him saying I bring it up.
Yeah.
Where's my key? I see my key here. No sign on my truck. People wicked in a blood clot, you know. So what then could I say no? I then take up my truck. Then think that can really hurt me? Only say me have certain things in it. But this don't make sense. You not see it, right?
I don't see it.
Got that truck there on mines. Huh? That truck there on mines.
No, that one didn't know. That's a Ford.
My kind of truck or what?
Chevy.
I can't believe this fuck. Let me have fun. I have to call and find out where I go on. Hold on a minute. This friggin' brazier, I stick me to the side. Hello?
Yes, sir. Good morning. This is the constable department. How can I help you?
Is this the finance company?
This is National Auto Lenders, ma'am. Yes, it's your vehicle finance with a company that can help.
Yeah, I get up this morning and I don't see my vehicle.
Okay, ma'am. What is your last name? So I can see maybe it was in the repossession department. What's your last name?
Feng Chong.
I'm sorry?
Feng Chong.
Can you spell that for me?
Fungchung.
I'm sorry, S-U?
Fungchung.
F like Frank or F like Samuel, ma'am? I can't understand you.
F as in Frank, Ungchung.
And the first name?
Venice, Venice.
You said it's Bernice?
Yeah.
One second. Can you verify the vehicle, please, for me?
Verify what?
The vehicle, ma'am. The last four numbers of your social and the date of birth.
Hold on. Them can't touch everything, but them can't take my life. Good morning, good morning.
Thanks for holding. We appreciate
Hey, pussy clock girl Lois. What's your name? What that girl your name? Fake and more money she a look. Dirty girl Cheryl Powell. Come off of my pussy clock page. And go look a man for fuck and finance you. You dirty drunk or you. Come off of my page. And mine you not have. And block Cheryl Powell. You pussy hole, you go. Me never know say it's so easy for black people from here, so. The bumper hole, you know. I gonna block in a pussy hole. Me gain a power too long. You look stressed? Yeah, man. Make them come. I block them one by one.
We look forward to talking with you soon. Please hold the line. We'll be right back with you.
And what tell me last night said the truck just need to move up a little.
Yeah.
I'ma give me key and tell him to go move it.
Yeah.
Then things say, taking away my truck can't slow me down. Me still jump in a taxi. Superstar don't ever drive, them chauffeured.
National Auto Lenders, Lily speaking. Have your name, please.
Venice Feng Chong.
Thank you so much. Okay, just to let you know that all our calls are being monitored for security and training purposes. Can you verify the last point of your social and date of birth, please? Today.
Where my truck there?
I'm sorry?
Where my truck?
You said, where's your truck?
Yeah.
You said, so your truck got picked up, you said?
I don't see my truck. Where is it?
And this is for the 2008 Chevy Suburban?
Yeah.
Okay, bear me for a moment. Let me look to see on that matter is, hold on, okay?
No, I talk no English to her. Yarna. We say when me truck there, Yarna. You mean where is your truck? No, when me truck there. Now make them things that stress me, you know.
Thank you for holding. We sincerely appreciate your patience. Please stay on the line. We'll be back in a moment.
You know, so when you go through stress and you is a good person, you know, say God give you peace beyond understanding. You not understand why you're so peaceful and happy, but only God knows. Yeah. Oh, this is your phone? Ah. So I get the image to that people.
Yeah. And then on the
You know what time?
probably around the tree.
About 3, so.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, I would suggest that you contact the police because we have no record of you picking up your vehicle.
That may I say, because I gave a payment yesterday and my truck gone.
You said some man took
My,
it?
no, my truck is gone. Look like them sent somebody to steal my truck.
I will suggest that you contact the police department.
Alright, thank you. So you know see, another car finance company take my truck, but my truck gone. Well, me tell Anwar to move it last night, him saying just move it up. But me I look through the window and me not see it. Me always see my truck through the window. Alright, at least me happy see another finance company, right? So, make we see what I go on. See, Paul, see your phone there. I'll come back up and call 911 if I not see my truck. Yo, Destiny, I not turn a servant for you, you know, because he's of age. Clean your room. I might run out of internet Wi-Fi, you know. Whoa, look at that puppy. Oh, he can't walk. That's and tell me saying just move up my truck. How my truck reach? Baby, I thought you were gone.